Good morning, everyone. Today, December 9, 2022, Friday, the last day of the week. It's Friday already, and we got seen pretty good, but not that good. Yeah. And we can tell S&P 500 getting up a little bit, and right now getting up over 100 points on Dow Jones, and Nasdaq getting up over 80 points, and S&P 500 getting up over 20 points. What I see right now, and like whatever on the screen is close enough. So crude oil start to gain, like what I say before. If you don't make it, you buy from someone. They all always gained. Even though you sell your own oil, there's in the sources military is nothing to compare with, and the food price is going to be up, and the gold much higher. Yeah, $12 for just in one day. The gold price start to jump. So good morning, all traders again, and at 7 a.m. Central Time, and we see US dollars down, energy's up, and financials down. So we can see on indicate it's higher, 52 ticks higher. So the gold is 43 ticks higher for the in the gold family. So in general overview on all the sector, we can see, and all the information: technology, healthcare, utility, real estate, consumer, discretionary, so consumer slab, and industrial materials, finance, communication service, all of them, it kind of getting off like from 50% to 91%. This is not the correctest of markets, remember. And please, I give you some more information. By the way, so we get the trending stock for today is Tesla. Tesla already back like $3 this morning, but they're going to be dropped again. So Tesla, LLYCOSTAAPL, that's Apple. AMZN, that's Amazon. UI, and the earning is coming soon as EM, ANPC, METX, AZO, MDB, and CASY. Yeah, that's we can call them like coming up earning or EQ lists. So on the market new, by the way, on the side, we got like a lot of new like relay with like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. And especially on the list, we can see a lot of them like relay with Microsoft for today, and honestly Tesla every day. Yep. And we come back with the SPY, and QQQ start to gain, but anyway they will drop back. Catch the drop and buy the gain. Sell the gain. Catch the drop and sell the gain, not buy the gain. You buy the gain just like buy the V1 a little bit for you have something, especially SP1 QQQ is not cheap. You have to be really prepared and pretty careful. And in option area, we can see on here today, you see the best one is still LI, but it's called on 28. So March 17, 2023. Actually, LI right now, they get a lot of the project. It's the best one in China right now, beside Tesla. 2023, and you can call MET on February 17, 2023, just $1, 1.4, you can call them 1.4, 1.3, 1.2. That's it. If you, I don't think 1.1 will be worked out. So, and you can call them January 20, 2023, 0.65 cents. That's awesome. And we can see on here the loss page is a UTL 28% loss. And we can see on here it's kind of like stopped by, wait me a second, is 66.58% BXRX. So, and 65.27% is MRIN, Marine Software, and 33% is United Maritime. So USEA. It's pretty good, and those are pretty cheap. It's easy to buy for everyone. So, by the way, on the side, please, you can check them V1, V2, F1, its foundation price, and the cap, and keep them lower because the federal reporting next week. There's another federal reporting, and it's going to be a drop again. If this week you want to sell it, next week, if today is a little higher, you can buy some for the put and repair for next week. Yep, and next week you can sell at pretty good price. If today, you can get some in the car, and then you can use that later. And we got like few structures you can share because the stock has for losing week. That's on Thursday, but just getting a little bit. So let's see, the economy signal kind of makes a little bit for the earning. A lot of company in like holiday and especially federal policy make a meeting next week. They have a meeting next week. Yeah. So the project is half percent point rate. So it's kind of, let's see. You never know. They some of them is really pretty secret and very secret. And honestly, government affect the stock, and the politics affect them so much. And honestly, sometimes my prepare is like 70% for everything, but sometimes it still make me surprised. That's why whenever federal meeting and I just close my eyes and drop everything down. That's why you get money. If you expect a lot in the donkey team, and that's not fun because they know how to do the economy, and it's around the country kind of like pretty big mess. And in trending list, we got the first one is still on Tesla. One number is there is million. That's mean 134 million people watch them. And the volume trades $97 million. One number stands for million. Just think about that Tesla. If you see them like 134 people watch them every day, say, this is not right. You have to put the M in the end. 134 million people watch them. That sounds much better. So we can see a lot of them getting up for today, but if they're getting like 5-10%, that's kind of real gain. And when they mix like this and just only like one, and so it's not count the really stable gain. So have a wonderful weekend and see you guys next week.